Telegram Gmail login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into Telegram using Gmail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have been wondering about you want to log into Telegram using a Gmail, you can see whenever I open the Telegram app, the very first thing that it asks me to do is just simply enter my phone number, and there is no any other way other than it. So the only way that you can actually use Telegram is with a phone number. There is no option to log in with Gmail. As you can see here, we don't have such option where we can use and just say that we want to log in with Gmail or our email addresses. That's not how it works. Telegram app will require you to actually have a legal and functioning phone number which you can use, and it will send an activation code to that phone number, and once you get the activation code only, you will be able to log into Telegram. This way you can log into Telegram using Gmail, but bottom line is you really can't. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.